for step 5. Please remember, we also have a Telegram group, whereby in that group I have already included the written. So the video is an explanation whereby, and the written explanation is going to be a bit concise, so you can refer to both of these. So next step is step 5. We are going to talk about the cause and effect page. All right. Why do we have this page? The purpose of this page. Number one, I want to see your ability to analyze the issue. In this page, you will be able to, you will write something to analyze the issue, and you will demonstrate your ability, the level of your ability to actually analyze the issue. That will actually determine the kind of marks you are going to get. So in order to analyze the issue, you need to explain the reasons behind the problem and result that follow. Now, reason and result cannot be separated. They are always together. Reason and result. Reason and result. They are always together. So do not separate. Do not only talk about the reason, or only talking about the result. It must be together, right? Now, by having this section, your scrapbook will be more critical and logical. If you notice, when you have one topic, you have the background, you have this and you have that. So in the end, but when people read your scrapbook, they will understand the whole issue in totality. They will understand the issue more comprehensively. So that is very important, so that your understanding is not going to be limited to only certain parts of, or certain dimensions of the issue. Now, so again, it helps you. It helps you to express your ability to analyze, by explaining the reasons behind the problem and the results that follow, and it helps make your scrapbook become more critical and logical. So this is the function and the purpose of this step. So when you are doing this step, you must pay attention to a few details. Number one, word length. Again, 120 to 150, 160, something like that. And then you must identify 2 or 3 causes of your chosen issue. Look at the article, find the causes. And then from the causes, you need to explain 2 or 3 effects or consequences. And please make it clear, right? You also must use connectors to link ideas, because connectors will show the relationship between ideas. And again, because this is a scrapbook, you need to have at least one diagram, one chart, or one infographic for this section. So each section should have some visual representation as well. Oh, please remember, I need to remind you this again and again. Do not send to me ChatGPT sentences, even though your sentences are going to be strewn with errors, and it's going to be terrible. It's okay as long as it is original, because the most important thing is, by having this exercise of doing this scrapbook, you are going to have your brain going to have activities that is going to actually improve your ability. So that is the most important thing. I know you can get faster answers by using ChatGPT, but your brain will be deprived of its much needed activities. All right. So that is what to give attention to, and then what to avoid. Do not repeat background or opinions page. So the points in the background, the points in the opinion page, let it be there. Do not repeat here. Do not list only causes, or do not list only effects. They must be together. You must be specific. Do not be vague. You got to explain how and why. All right. Now let's talk about how to do it. Number one, you must start with an introductory sentence. As usual, for everything you must have an introductory sentence. Number two, write 1 or 2 sentences on the main causes. Number 3, write 2 or 3 sentences on the effects of the consequences. Write 2 or 3 sentences on the effect of the consequences. So you got one main idea, the main cause, and then 2 or 3 sentences on the effects or consequences. So you got 2 or 3 main cause and the consequences later, right? Or you can also add comparison. But that is optional lah. If it's not compulsory, I will not make it compulsory. I will not be checking for comparison in order to determine your marks. But if you have comparison, your mark could go higher lah. Of course, again, you should add diagram or chart. Make sure all sections must have diagram or chart. So what do I expect from you? What do I expect from you? Number one, a cause and effect write-up of 120 to 150 words. At least two or three causes. Two or three causes. And each of the causes must be accompanied by two or three effects and must be explained clearly. You can use logical connectors for that. Alright? Understand? Very simple. If you don't understand what I say, you can listen to this three, four more times. And you can also read my explanation in my Telegram. Alright, thank you. I will continue with step 6.